Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Emily Johnson, and today I will be doing a boxy. Okay, so hello, voiceover Emily here. I recorded this video on my front camera and it said 4K, but it's not 4K, so I do apologize for the inconvenience. Charm unboxing. I have only my eyebrows on right now. We will get started. So the first product that I'm going to be using from the box is the Farsali Privé Quench, and it's a serum that helps replenish moisture with the unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and it's designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin's surface and in the epidermis, which is a layer of the skin. The retail value for this product is $24. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Then take it out and it's this really pretty like blue top, and it's a glass bottle. I don't know if you can hear that, but it looks really, really nice. I'm excited to give it a try. I've never opened this before. It's not like watery. It's clear. It feels kind of sticky. Like it reminds me of aloe. Straight from the plant aloe. It doesn't really have a scent. Feels good on the skin. I have really sensitive skin, so I'm always scared to try stuff like this because I know I'm allergic to vitamin C, but I can't really pinpoint yet what exactly it is that irritates my skin, because there's some other products that I don't think have vitamin C in them, and they still cause me to get really bad texture. So I'm always a little hesitant. Hopefully it doesn't cause any problems. If it does, I'll put it in the description box below. I've never tried anything from Farsali, so I was really excited to see this in the box. I actually just resubscribed, so I saw another video and was like, I need to resubscribe because that looks incredible. I can't really tell much of a difference in my skin, but it's one of those things that you can use before your moisturizer. I think that the box says apply a few drops to damp skin before creams. Use morning and night. So I didn't apply that to damp skin. So next time we will do that. Now I'm just putting on some Bare Minerals powder, the original in Fair. It's just really simple, honestly. Like that's why I like it so much. It's easy to just throw on, and honestly, I do not pay full price for Bare Minerals ever. I always buy it from TJ Maxx. All right. The next product in the box is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss. It is a tinted I don't know, lip butter, and it is in the shade Teeny Bikini. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter retails for $20 and is a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of the unknown butter, acai, and coconut oils. It looks super cute when you take it out. I know it's hard to see the details on it, but it just says Sol de Janeiro right here, and it's a pretty bronze tube, and the cap comes off straight, and then you twist up. It's a really pretty color. So it just gives a nice tint to the lips. The only negative I really have is the taste. It has kind of that popcorn, and I kind of get that with this, but if you can get past that, then I think this is a really good product, and the box is $25, so I mean, just that lip butter is $20, and then the Farsali is even more, so already we're at $44 with just these two products. The next product in the box is the Ciate, the editor palette. New England Editor palette. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. Retail value is $32. It's kind of funny to me that they say it's supposed to be autumn vibes, and then it's, I don't know, it's blue and pink, and the leaves look like jungle kind of leaves. They don't look like fall. So that's just a little bit odd to me if it's supposed to be inspired by fall. But what do I know? The inside of the palette is pretty. It's not, I really don't love bold shadows. So I don't know that this is for me. There's 4 mattes in the palette. This shade is a, transition color, this peachy shade. There's another transition color and then a dark brown. There's a lot of like gold tone browns, but my skin is super fair, and so a lot of these deeper brown shades are, they're not my cup of tea. And I often don't go for blues or greens or anything. And I also don't really go for like these really yellow golds I don't know. I don't love them on my skin tone because I have cool undertones, and some people can pull it off. I just like to go for natural looks. I'm gonna be dipping into this light brown color. The mirror in the palette is actually really nice. Kind of dusty. It kicks up in the palette. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I'll go in with the deeper brown right here. So right here you can see kind of the kick up on it. I don't mind that, especially when you're, getting a whole box for $25. However, I know some people really care about that. I haven't been subscribed since December of last year, so December 2019. That's the last time that I got a box, and so October 2020 is my first box since then. I'm gonna go into this metallic brown right here. It's pretty, it's just not super metallic. But let's see, if I go in with my finger, it's pretty. In the middle of my eye, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I don't know how well you can see that because of this light overexposing me. Let's see if I turn it down. It's pretty. I think it just depends. If you're getting this in the box with everything else, it's good. But I don't think I would get the most use out of this palette on an everyday basis because I just have so many other neutrals palettes that I would use. Next product in the box are Lava Lashes in Charm, and they're faux mink. Lightweight and fluffy, handcrafted luxury lashes. The retail value is $19.99. Supposed to blend seamlessly with your natural lashes and add the perfect amount of glam to any look. I'm not gonna put these on. I don't wear lashes. Ooh. It looks like they come with lash glue, which is nice. A lot of lashes don't, especially the nicer ones. Oh my goodness. These are very intense. They're very long. They're soft, but I don't think I would ever wear those unless I cut them. These are something I'll probably give to a friend. I definitely understand that they're going for a glam look here. I think it just depends on the person. I'm not a lash person at all, so I usually never use the lashes that I get in my boxes and end up giving them to friends or donating them. The last product that we have in the box here is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist, and this is a setting spray. Let's see what the card has to say. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra-fine vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish. This retails for $23. I find it interesting because they don't say like on the front or on this card that it is a continuous mist. It's like the Morphe mist, which is awesome. And I have used this and I love it. It's funny though, that the bottle says sets makeup for 16 hours and the card says that it sets it for 12. So I don't know what the deal is with that. See what the mist. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really fine. And then it's continuous. Oh my gosh, I'm so glowy. I don't even have highlight on. I'm super glowy now that I use that. I really, really, really like this. I love that it's continuous. It is fine. It does not have a scent. No, it doesn't have a scent, and it is hydrating, great for the dry skin girls. And I think this is wonderful. This is one of the products that I saw and I was like, I need to get the October BOXYCHARM box. And I was so happy when I opened my box that it was in it. So I definitely recommend this. Hey y'all, sorry about the situation change and lighting change and everything. It's 2 days later, but I never filmed an outro because I actually needed to go somewhere. So I'm just here to tell you that the total value of the box with all 5 products is $119. You pay $25 for the box and I got $119 worth of products, and we'll probably use 4 out of 5 of them. So thank you so much for watching and tuning in, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.